Vemuri Balram Garu, Dr. Mohan Krishna, Sri Mani Sharma Garu, the three musketeers of IP markets, Sri Ashok Ram Kumar, Sri Vijay Kumar and Sri Venkatramana, all the associates of IP markets and the distinguished invites. At the outset, I take this opportunity to congratulate and compliment IP markets headed by the three distinguished IP experts on completing one successful year and making a unique mark for themselves as an IP firm, because as individual lawyers, all the three had a wonderful name before they came together and formed this particular institution. With my little association with the IP lawyers and law firms, and with some of the judicial officers whom I address in the Judicial Academy and elsewhere, nowadays, wherever there is IP litigation, 2 or 3 things are always asked. One, on whose side are Mr. Ashok Ram Kumar and Vijay Kumar? Because they are appearing either for the plaintiffs or the defendants, or appellants or the respondents. This is my experience, because I know about 4 or 5 other law firms, but they may or may not figure. But this particular trio, especially these two, their names always appear. Second, as pointed out by Sri Balram Garu, whenever they appear before a court, it's a learning experience for many of the judges. Because many of the judges, before they enter the judicial profession, had no opportunity to learn the subject of intellectual property rights in the good old days. And as majority of these cases come up before the district judges who are sufficiently senior, probably the only way to learn about the intellectual property rights is either through Judicial Academy or by way of the trial and error method, where our two good friends, they go on to become teachers, in fact IP teachers. But as far as my experience with all the three in fact pioneers of this particular firm are concerned, they are really hard working and they do more research than the IP researchers in the university. And whenever we got an opportunity to talk to each other or to interact with each other, we found that they are well ahead of many of the academics, including me, as far as the IP litigation is concerned. But not only the IP litigation, but the various other aspects, whether it is IP monetization, IP vigilance, or even IP management. And offering all these services under one umbrella is not an easy thing. Because in the field of intellectual property, either we have either patent attorneys or copyright attorneys or trademark attorneys. Normally they don't make forays into the different areas. But here is a unique combination where you get all the services, like it's through a single window system. And having witnessed their progress and having seen their approach, I am very sure that IP markets will be one of the leading law firms, not only in the state of Andhra Pradesh, but also in India. I am reminded of one of the earliest IP firms in India, Deepening from Chennai. I wish that IP markets will be another deepening and which will go on to hit a century in the coming years. I take this opportunity to wish them all the very best and my compliments to all of them once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Faculty at Osmania University College of Law and various other law colleges. He is a revered professor, having extensive knowledge in copyrights and other